Tomato yield boosting hacks for maximum harvest. Are you tired of mediocre tomato harvests? Do you want to maximize your yield and enjoy a bounty of juicy, delicious tomatoes? Look no further. In this article, we'll share our top tomato yield boosting hacks to help you get the most out of your harvest. Hack 1. Prune for profusion. Remove lower leaves, weak growth, and suckers to direct energy towards fruiting. Like, share, subscribe to Vibrant Gardens. Hack number 2. Feed for flavor. Balanced fertilizer boosts growth and flavor. Add compost tea for extra nutrients. Hack number 3. Support for success. Provide stakes or cages for indeterminate varieties to grow up and out. Hack number 4. Mulch for moisture. Retain water, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Hack number 5. Monitor for pests. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases and act fast to prevent spreading. By implementing these simple hacks, you'll be on your way to a bountiful tomato harvest. Try them out and watch your yield soar. Happy gardening. #TomatoHacks, #maximum harvest, #garden tips.